Welcome to your new dispenser. To begin the installation, open the dispenser by using the release buttons. Then, check the inside label to confirm that you have the correct dispenser for the location. When choosing the installation location, make sure you leave a minimum of 6 inches of clearance below the dispenser to ensure usage and maintenance. It's also a good idea to gauge the space needed to be fully covered by the dispenser to ensure proper installation appearance. True fit wall plates are available to cover damage or discoloration from previous dispensers. If a wall plate is present, remove it before installation. After installing the dispenser, you'll reinsert the wall plate behind it, starting from the top and sliding it down until it locks into place. To install with the adhesive tape, clean the wall first and let it dry. Then remove the adhesive backing from the dispenser and press it firmly against the wall for 10 seconds. Don't install the refill right away. Instead, wait 24 hours to ensure a solid adhesion is created. To install with screws, remove the white vanity plate and use a pencil to mark the holes where you will drill. Dry wall anchors may be needed, so drill holes and install them if necessary. Then install the dispenser using the 4 screws, making sure you start with the topmost holes. Once you're done, reinstall the backplate cover by inserting the top corners into the dispenser and pressing down until you hear an audible click. Close the dispenser cover. Hand sanitizer dispensers include a floor shield and wall protector. Install the shield by inserting the tabs up into the bottom of the dispenser slots and pushing firmly. You will hear a click when it is firmly in place. You can also convert any ES10 dispenser into a locking dispenser by using our key module. To activate the lock, insert the key into the lock hole. If you like to disable the locking mechanism, start by removing the backplate. Then, push the plastic locking tab up. To install a refill, start by opening the dispenser cover. To remove empty refills, press the green release latch and remove by pulling upward. Double-check that the dispenser and refill labels match. Remove the cap on the refill and insert it into the dispenser until you hear an audible click. Close the dispenser cover. The green status light will blink 3 times quickly. Wait 7 seconds for the dispenser to calibrate. After calibration, a single green light will indicate that the dispenser is ready to use. To complete the installation, prime the dispenser by placing your hand underneath to dispense the product. To recycle an empty refill, you'll need to pull the collar off. To start, make sure the back of the refill is facing you and then pull the collar upward by grabbing underneath the battery. Once the collar is removed, pinch the tabs on the battery cover to remove the battery. Recycle or dispose of them in accordance with federal, state, and local regulations. Recycle the empty bottle, collar components, and closure together at your local plastics recycling. Our ES10 dispensers will provide years of reliable performance. Should you have any additional questions, our GOJO customer service representatives are happy to help. Contact us at 330-255-6000.